In the tranquil enclave of Flora Drive on the eastern edge of Singapore stands the remarkable Kassia Freehold Condominium. Developed by Tripartite Developers Pte Ltd, Kassia is a private residential haven. Decades ago, the visionary minds of HLHL, CDL, and TID embarked on a journey to shape the sanctuary. They transformed a sprawling 3 million square foot canvas into an exquisite tapestry of homes. Kassia, the final crescendo in this symphony, emerged as a freehold gem. Its 4 8-story blocks stand proudly on a 150,389 square foot site, a testament to meticulous planning and unwavering commitment. The roads cradling this enclave are named after flowers: Azalea Park, Balota Park, Carissa Park. Kassia blooms among them, with nearby expressways like the Pan Island Expressway, East Coast Expressway, and Tampines Expressway connecting residents effortlessly to the city. Prospective homeowners envision cozy evenings by the window, sunlight filtering through leaves. They explore the show flat, eager to claim their slice of this architectural marvel, with the direct developer price offering affordability. Kassia invites you to step into its embrace. Let its walls echo with your laughter, and its gardens cradle your hopes. Within these freehold walls, a new chapter awaits.